So this is a great little tip if you want to use your thumbs perhaps on the keyboard. So let's go into Notes, and I'm just going to tap anywhere and then the keyboard will come up. And in the bottom right you see that little keyboard. If I keep my finger on it and then I choose split, then suddenly I've got this little keyboard here that I can use my thumbs to type away. If I want to return it, all I need to do is hold down and dock and merge. What I can also do is, if I want to, I can undock the actual keyboard itself and then redock again. So yeah, so you can split the keyboard and undock it. Nice little trick.